You eat this one?
Actually, no lah. Actually, I have 4 more. Do you want this?
No, I just know this one also I give them.
Oh, okay, got other people.
Oh.
Also give lah.
You caught 4 this one. Wow, 4 share.
Yeah, sure today.
But this one you selling or giving people?
If I cannot give to the people around here, I sell lor.
Yeah, keep it fresh so can sell. How much if you sell this one?
Honestly, I don't know the price.
Oh.
I know it's a cheap fish.
Yeah, cheap also if like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also can. Okay.
Also got one like one more inside the also.
This one also.
No.
What's that?
Taiwan no.
Taiwan. Oh, mangrove jack. Oh, okay. Nice.
Sure, my 1 day of leave worth it.
From what time you just know?
Start around 9:20.
9:20. Okay. All the best. Alright.
Bro, I'm packing up already lah. Do you want any bait?
Bait
Just have only a few sotong left.
Sotong I also have.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright.